Assalamu alaikum, students of 8th and 9th classes. Today I am going to teach you the interrogative and negative combined sentence of the past indefinite tense in active and passive voice. Let's start as usual. First of all, the syntax of the active voice. We always use did as a helping verb before the subject, and after that we use the subject. After subject we use the not plus first form of the verb, and then plus object slash something else. It should be kept in your mind that whenever we use did in any kind of the syntax, we always use the first form of the verb. Okay, now examples. First of all, did they not observe all the fasts? Did he not cut down the small trees? Did we not follow the traffic rules? These are the some examples. Now the syntax of the passive voice. First of all, we use was or were as a helping verb, and after was or were, new subject. Actually, what is the new subject? Considering the object, new subject. After that, not plus third form of the verb. We always use the third form of the verb in any kind of the sentence of the passive voice. After that, the by, which is a preposition, then a new object considering the subject, new object, and slash something else if it is required. Now we have to change these sentences into the passive voice according to the syntax which have been, you can say, which has been written there. Now did they not observe all the fasts? Now we are to consider all the fasts, new subject, yes, all the fasts, and before all the fasts we are to use there the verb, which is a plural verb. What's the reason why we have to use the plural verb? The reason is that their plural subject is being used in the syntax. That's why verb plus verb, all the fasts, okay, not observed by, and them. We are to change they into them, which is the objective case of they. Okay, now the second sentence. Did he not cut down the small trees? The small trees would be considered a new subject, the small trees, and before this we are to use the plural verb, which is a verb. Were the small trees not cut down? Cut. Cut is considered the first form, second, and in the same way the third form. Cut down, by is a preposition by, and him. Him is a objective case of he. Okay. Now the third sentence. Did we not follow the traffic rules? The traffic rules would be the new subject, and it is also in the plural subject. That's why we are to use the verb there before the traffic rules. Were the traffic rules not followed by us? We are to change we into us, which is objective case. Okay, now the diary session. Students, you are to translate the following sentences into English, then change the voice of these sentences. Some sentences have been written in Urdu. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्या माँ ने चावल ना पकाए? क्या नसीम ने ईद की नमाज नहीं पढ़ी? क्या मरीज़ दवाई नहीं खाता था? क्या दर्जी ने मेरा कोट नहीं सिया? क्या पिछले साल इराक़ ने कुवैत पर हमला नहीं किया? क्या तुमने अपना कोर्स ख़त्म नहीं किया? क्या कल मूसलाधार बारिश नहीं हुई? Okay students, you should make a reasonable assignment, and I shall wait for your assignment. Allah Hafiz.